Introducing NanoBond Shield. Veteran-owned and made in the USA. Experience the difference with our patented nanotechnology-enhanced liquid glass protector, designed to provide unmatched durability for all glass surfaces. Unlike any competitor on the market, our formula works at the molecular level to fill in microscopic imperfections in the glass, making it significantly stronger and more flexible. This unique process not only fortifies your cell phone screens, tablets, and car windshields by up to 250 times, but also enhances their resistance to scratches, cracks, and everyday wear. Elevate the protection of your devices and glass surfaces with our advanced, industry-leading technology. NanoBond Shield. Order online today. Veteran-owned and made in the USA.